Pomodoro is a platform that acts as a Pomodoro timer for anyone who's looking to focus for an extended period of time. If this is your first time here, my name is J.I. and this is the Everyday AI channel where we teach you how you can use AI in your daily lives. So I'm going to dive right into this here. As you can see, we've got a nice, clean, sleek interface. I'm going to be honest, I really like platforms like this because there's one clear goal and there isn't too much going on. So we know exactly what we're here for. We're here to focus, and let's see how this platform allows us to do so. So first of all, we've got a timer which you can set, and then of course that can move on to the breaks. So the Pomodoro technique is typically about something about like 25 minutes of focus and then you have a break for about 5 minutes, something along those lines. Of course, those metrics can be changed depending on how you like to focus and how much time you've got. But as you can see, it's nice and sleek. They've also thankfully got a dark mode, of course. And if we go into the settings, there's like enough sort of things we can tweak here that makes it customizable but not overwhelming. So you can select the duration of the work itself in terms of number of minutes, the duration of your breaks as well. For short breaks and then for long breaks too. You can select the number of rounds you want to go for, and you can also select when your week actually starts, including the notification sounds as well.
I'm actually pleased to announce I've launched one of my first digital products, which is a 7-day prompting ebook. I've called it Perfecting Prompts, and it's essentially a 7-day crash course on how you can improve your prompting so that you can supercharge your productivity. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave the link to Perfecting Prompts below. I put in a lot of work into it, and in there I actually include some frameworks that I teach to global corporations. Definitely check it out.
And of course, you can also select auto start and decide to put the timer in the title if you wish to do so. So there's not a whole lot going on here, which I think is a great thing. It reminds me of these kind of micro SaaS platforms which are starting to take off. I've actually been building some very narrowly scoped platforms as well that essentially use not necessarily large language models, but sometimes even small language models, which are a lot more tailored to a particular sort of niche and use case. So definitely check this out. I think this is a simple and sleek way to essentially hold yourself accountable and increase the likelihood of you being able to focus for a specified period of time. Definitely check it out. If you enjoyed the video, please make sure you subscribe. And if you'd like to talk to me, then head over to Jay's Instagram, where you can chat to ChatJPT, which is essentially ChatGPT combined with my way of thinking, speaking, and seeing the world. So if you like these videos, then you'll definitely enjoy having a chat with ChatJPT. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.